Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove dim flashing lights to the accessibility shortcut on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, scroll down, and in here tap on accessibility shortcut, then tap on dim flashing lights. Tap on that to remove or add it to the accessibility shortcut menu. Now at the moment when there is a checkbox right next to it, it is added to the accessibility shortcuts menu in here. And if I remove the checkbox, you can see it is also removed from the accessibility menu. So just tap on it to add or remove. So dim flashing light here. So just tap on it to add or remove it from the menu. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.